How to design a professional Shopify store. Hello everyone, on this quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys step by step how easily create and set up your Shopify store with the professional design. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify account. Then after creating your account and verify it with your email address or phone number, then hit and open your Shopify dashboard. Then scroll to online store section. Then hit online store. Then guys, I will show you how easily add a theme on your Shopify store first, then how to customize and create your store on Shopify. Then first guys, scroll to the bottom to the features rich template, easily customized, no coding expired needed. Then guys, this is the free theme section on your Shopify. I prefer to choose, if you are a beginner, to choose the down theme on your Shopify store because it's easy to use for a beginner and also for a professional user on Shopify. Then guys, after selecting the theme, just try theme and publish it on your Shopify. Then guys, after adding the theme on your Shopify store, just hit on customize on the right. Then guys, go directly to your Shopify store to create and design your Shopify store on Shopify. Then guys, first go to the welcome to our store, the announcement bar. Then first guys, you need to customize the announcement bar. First you need to select the announcement bar, then edit the color. Then the left side, hit on edit, then make it the black color. As you see guys, this is the first step that you need to add on your Shopify store. Then again, if you want to change the title color, then guys, scroll down and hit on announcement bar and go back. Then you need to customize, for example, remove this welcome to our store and add, for example, free shipping, for example, free shipping on all orders over, for example, $60. As you see guys, when you finish adding, just go back again and select the header section. Then guys, first you need to select the header section. Then if you want to change the menu category, just hit on change menu category on the left side. Then you can easily add some categories on your Shopify store. Then guys, go on the top desktop logo position. I prefer, if you are a beginner, just select top center, then hit on top center, as you see guys, like this. Then guys, scroll to the color scheme, then hit on change, again make it black. Then guys, as you see guys, this is your header section. Then go on the left side, hit on this theme settings on the left side, then theme settings, then go to the logo to add your logo on your Shopify store. Then select image, then you can customize the logo with the 19 pixel, for example, or 70 pixel, like this guys. Then guys, hit on save on the top. Then again, go back to your header section, then scroll to desktop menu type, make it always drop down to make your store more professional. Then sticker header, make it none. As you see guys, when you scroll your store, automatically the header stay on his place. Then again, go scroll down to menu color scheme, then hit on this color again, and also edit the text color with white and also background black. Then again, scroll down to image banner section. As you see guys, I will show you how easily create an image banner section with a professional design. Then guys, go to and open your canva.com. Then first guys, go and hit and create a design, a new design. Then hit on create design. Then you need to add your pixel. Then hit and create design. As you see guys, it's very easy to design your Shopify store and create a professional Shopify store. Then guys, first guys, you need to go to the left side and select the element, then hit on element, then scroll to add element on your Shopify first, then go to frames, then select all, sorry, not this one, this one, and select all, then select this 3 pictures and spacing make it 0. Then guys, you need to add the picture, on the left side upload the picture, then go and upload the picture, for example this picture, and also this picture, this one, and also this one, then hit on open. Then after adding the picture on your Canva account, then guys, you need to add this picture to this first, the second one to the second picture, and the third one. Then guys, you need to go and hit and add the text. For example, you can add some style, any style that you want, or you can add the simple style, for example this one, and top new. Then guys, hit on share on the top and download the picture, download, then go back to your Shopify store, then select the image banner, then go and this one remove the heading, remove block, remove this block. Then guys, the image, if you want to just select the image banner, then select image, then go and upload the image, then hit on done. Then wait a few seconds. As you see guys, the image was added successfully and your Shopify store created with the professional style. Then guys, go to image banner, select the image banner, then image overlay opacity, make it reduce the opacity like this to 10, then the banner height make it small like this. As you see guys, this is the style. Then guys, scroll to this features product, then select and this featured product. You can customize also the features product, or you can just under this section, under the image add section, then go to add image with text. Then guys, go again to Canva and go and create a new design, hit and create new design again, and 1000 the high, 1000, and create design. Then first you need to make it black color, and go to the left side and element, add element, scroll to this square element like this, and make it small and add it to the center for it like this. Another one again like this, another one like this. Then guys, go to upload picture. They need to upload and add the picture, for example this one the center, this one on the left side, and this one on the right side like this. Then guys, hit on share and download again, and download the picture. Then go back to the Shopify, then hit on this image with text banner, then go to the top and select image, then hit on done. As you see guys, your image, it will add it automatically with the professional style. Then you can customize the title. You can add the title of the product and the description and the button label. Then guys, go back again and add the section or the feature product. You can easily customize the feature product, make it more bigger and with large size. If you want to change the font, just go back to setting, then scroll to typography, then change the typography. I prefer this one. Like this, or you can choose the Americano style and go back again, and you can add more categories with as you see guys, maximum products show. You can just go to number of columns on desktop, reduce to the 2 product, like this. As you see guys, this is the product. Then guys, go back and add section. Go on slideshow section. Then guys, if you want to add the slideshow section, just go back again to Canva, go back to the last style again, 4320 2160, create design to this section, the 3 pictures. Again, go to upload the picture. For example, this one, and make it more bigger. Then hit on share, download, and download. Go back and to the picture section, add image, then hit on done. As you see guys, the slideshow section, you can easily add more pictures on the slideshow. Then on the last one, you can customize the slideshow with the 5 seconds for each picture, 5 seconds or 3 seconds. Then auto rotate slide, the slide height, make it small like this. Go back to your Shopify store. Then and the last one, and the footer section, then add section, then email sign up, the last one. Then guys, again, the black color, sorry, remove this block. Then guys, this is your website on Shopify. You can easily add more slideshow. You can also customize till your brand. For example, the best seller. For example, the button label or buy now. For example, then guys, overlay opacity like this. Also the black color like this guys. As you see guys, this is the easy method to create your Shopify website with the professional style. then go to the top, then hit on mobile section. As you see guys, this is your Shopify store on your mobile phone. Then go back to desktop, then hit on save on the top. Then go back again to your Shopify dashboard, then open the hit on online store and select view your online store like this. This is your Shopify store created successfully with the easy steps by using just Canva. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.